Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can improve your videos using Aiarty Video Enhancer. It's a very simple AI tool that makes your footage look cleaner and sharper with just one click. Let's jump in and see how it's work. So guys, welcome back, and I want to say interface is very user friendly, and we have one button here for import videos. Also we can drag and drop for import videos. Let's click here, and today I will test 3 videos. Select first video and open. After import, it's very fast working and we can see difference directly. Let's see. Okay, we have slider stick here for see difference. It's very awesome results. And let's go to settings. Let me show all settings here. First one, hardware. We can choose hardware working with CPU or GPU. And AI models. We have 3 AI models: moDetail, smooth, and superVideo. So we can click this question button for see how it work AI models. We can upscale video 1 times, 2 times, 4 times, also with resolutions. We can upscale to 4K, or we can use custom resolution for upscaling. And also we can use strange. And we have 2 ways for fast results: step mode for use virtual RAM, and turbo mode. Also we can use edit. Let's open inside. We can rotate, flip video, also can crop video. Also we can use force dentist and multiple tracks. We can choose multiple tracks here. Also audio stream. We can see something new here. This is color, and let's open color. We can add color correction, can use temperature like this, and tint. We can use tint. Also exports, contrast, saturation can use for get professional results. Next feature, HDR. Let's open, enable HDR. And we can choose AI model here. For create HDR, we have 3 AI models: natural, bright, and gradient. Next feature, frame interpolation. Let's enable, and we can choose frame rate here. For interpolation, we can interpolation to 120 frame rates. Also for better slow motion, we can enable slow motion checkbox. And the last one, audio denoise. If your video have audio bad with noises or damaged sounds, you can fix with audio denoise. You can choose here again AI denoise models. We have 3 models here, and we can play these settings for get better results. And export settings, let me show how to export. Let's open export, and format we can choose video format, video codec, and audio codec. Also we can click checkbox export to original folder, or we can choose folder for exporting. And we have 2 ways for export: current video or batch export. We can import here multiple files, and we can export batch export. So let's back to my video, and we have 2 ways for see difference: with slider and with 2 views like this. Let's back to slider. This is my favorite feature for see difference, and I can see here my original footage size. This is very low size, and this is after upscale. We can choose upscale to 4K or 4 times. Let's choose 4 times, and here is the 4K sizes, and boom, it's very perfect feature. I love it. You can see not any blur and noises. Perfect. So guys, let's try another video with another model. Go to again import video, choose video 2 and open. So in this time I will use AI model smooth-HQ version 3. And this model perfect for characters and like this video. And let's see difference. Okay, very nice. So let's go to upscale and choose 4 time. And here is my video size. This is low quality size, and this is after upscale 4K sizes. Okay, and also let me show one feature. we have in and out tools. And with this tool, I can improve only this part. Let's say again difference, very nice. Not any noises, not any blur, and very clean work. I love it. So let's import the last video. Go to again import, choose video 3 and open. Let's go to a model, phone night and low lighting. superVideo VHQ is perfect choice. And here we go, really perfect results. Look these lights and sharpen elements and car lighting, very professional. And let's go to here. Okay, nice. This is really perfect. I love it. So guys, let me show official website Aiarty Video Enhancer, and we can see examples here what we can do with AI Video Enhancer. Also we can see all features, all technology, and in this part we can get this on our computer or we can see pricing. And we have two license package, standard license and lifetime. And with lifetime license we can get 30% off. And I will add all links on the description below. You can get that now. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.